two different reactions are given and we need to find out whether the products formed in these reactions are correct or wrong. Let's check out one by one. This is our starting substance in reaction 1. So as this is an alkene, as the side chain possesses a double bond, here electrophilic addition of hydrogen bromide takes place. And in this, the first step is the attack of the electrophile in order to form a carbocation. So here we get a carbocation, which is like this. As there is a possibility of a 5-membered ring here, ring expansion takes place because we know that 5-membered or the 6-membered rings are more stable when compared to the 4-membered ring. So in this particular way, the ring expansion takes place. So now we get a 5-membered ring and it looks like this. And see here, this is a secondary carbocation. And if the attack of the Br minus takes place on this one itself, then the product formed is this one. Or if the secondary carbocation, if it rearranges in order to give a more stable tertiary carbocation, we get a different product. And that is possible by the 1,2 methyl shift, which is like this. So we get a tertiary carbocation. And definitely this is more stable when compared to the secondary carbocation. And then the attack of Br minus takes place in order to get the final product, which is like this. So the final product of this particular reaction, it should be either this one or both together, isn't it? Let's check out in the reaction whether any one of these is given or not. No, a different product is given. So definitely we can say that this reaction is wrong. Let's check out the second one. So again, the electrophile is first attacked on the double bonded carbon in order to form a carbocation. And this is the carbocation. So again, as there is a possibility of the ring expansion, because the 6-membered ring is more stable than the 5-membered ring, the ring expansion takes place in this way. And this results in the formation of a 6-membered ring. And in due course, this secondary carbocation now converted into tertiary carbocation, definitely which is more stable than this one. And this carbocation further react with water, giving out the H+, resulting in the final product, which is this one. Let us check out whether this is our final product in the reaction given in the question or not. Definitely not. So here both the products given against these reactions are wrong. So that is the reason why our answer is option D.